Now we will discuss the question number 7, which is from milling, and the question is feed rate in slab milling operation is equal to. So generally what happens is in milling the feed rate is expressed in the mm per tooth. Now we have to find out this feed rate. So we know feed rate which is equal to that feed rate in mm per minute, which is equal to that feed in mm per tooth multiplied by the number of teeth on the cutter multiplied by that RPM. So that feed rate in slab milling, that FR, which is equal to that feed in mm per tooth, this is your mm per tooth, multiplied by the Z, which is the number of teeth on cutter, multiplied by that RPM. So this feed rate is in mm per minute. So the correct option for this question is the product of RPM, feed per tooth, and the number of teeth in the cutter. So the option C, that is feed rate, which is equal to that feed in mm per tooth multiplied by that number of teeth on the cutter and multiplied by the RPM. So the answer will be C.